How to fix Snapchat lag in Realme P3. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on it and then click on app management. Now scroll down and here you can see the option Snapchat. Now click on it and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Snapchat. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and reinstall your Snapchat. So firstly uninstall your Snapchat and then reinstall it. After that, go back and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.